Hi everyone. Today we'll see how to uninstall MySQL workbench as well as server, and then how to reinstall it perfectly so that we can set the password and everything. Everything goes right. Okay. So for that reason, to uninstall in the uninstallation procedure. So first we need to visit to the control panel. I'll click on Windows button and then control panel. I'll go there. So after going to control panel, so I'll be having an option called as uninstall a program. I'll be clicking on this uninstall program option, and then later here I can see you people can see here MySQL installer is there, as well as MySQL server is there, as well as MySQL workbench is there. All these things, any other items are there with respect to MySQL. All those softwares you need to first we need to uninstall. How to uninstall? Just we need to select this one and right click, and then you'll be getting an uninstall option. Just click on uninstall option. It will ask permission, so you say yes, and then your uninstallation will prepare. Means it will begin now, and then it will complete in a while. So please wait for it some time, and then it may ask some permission. Say yes, because while uninstalling it needs some permission. So installer completely uninstall it. After then MySQL server we are uninstalling. Just click on right click and then uninstall, and then permission is there, yes, say yes, and then it may ask for no permission, you select yes only. So in your case, in my case, there were three items with respect to MySQL. In your case it may be more, it may be only one, it may be nothing. So whatever the things are there with respect to MySQL, starting as MySQL, all the things needs to be uninstalled. Okay. So in my case, server is uninstalling. It may take some time to do get uninstalled. So so it is almost uninstalling, working there, and then it is saying that gathering required information, something like that, and then so it may take some time. You also please wait patiently until completion of this one, and then later. So MySQL workbench, something is there here. We need to right click. So first select and right click and then uninstall. Select uninstall, and then it is asking, are you sure you want to uninstall MySQL workbench? Yes. So and then it may ask no permission. Just say yes. So your uninstallation has done, but still the information and the other remaining data with respect to some other program related data will be there in your hard disk. You have to delete that particular data also. You need to delete. So how to delete, we'll see that also. So that is very important. This uninstallation is a one step. So uninstallation is not completed yet. So just we have done almost half of the uninstallation done. Now actually we need to remove the data from the hard disk. Okay. So just we need to go to C drive. In your C drive, you'll be having an option called as program files. So program files, in program files, you'll be having an option called as MySQL. You have to select and you need to delete this particular MySQL. So just click on delete. It may ask permission, or sometimes it may ask permission. It will be deleted. In my case, directly deleted. If in your case are asking permission, say continue. Okay. So one thing got deleted. Next, one more thing, in program files 86 also, if you open this one, you may have your MySQL. You have to check it. If in my case I don't have, so I'm not deleting. If in your case it is there, you have to delete that. Okay. After then I'll go back, and then so program data. So in some system, this program data might not be available by default. You need to go to show view, and then here hidden items. This one, if it is unchecked, that program data is not showing there. Okay. So hence you need to go to show view. Their hidden items need to be shown in Windows 11 and other operating system. That showing the hidden items is an different option. Here ultimately show view their hidden items you need to do, then only get this program data. So get into this program data. Here also you maybe have MySQL. If it is there, you need to delete this one also. So right click and then say delete. So it may ask permission, it may not ask permission. It is not asking. Just delete it. Fine. Very good. After then, so we deleted from program files 36, as well as program data, as well as we need to get into users. In users also, you may be having your name, or your laptop name, or your, let's say, admin user, something maybe there. Okay. So in such kind of folder, enter into this one. Definitely you'll be having something called as app data. Okay. This might not be visible for some people. That people has to enable this one, hidden items. If I do uncheck this hidden items, this definitely the app data is not visible here, right? So the moment I go to this view and then show view and then hidden items, so check this mark, definitely app data is coming there. So next, to get into the app data. After then you have to get into roaming. After then you will be having MySQL here also. You need to delete this also, MySQL. So click on delete, definitely that will be deleted. This is how you remove all the data from your hard disk. After then, this is how you successfully uninstallation completed. Now we are seeing how to reinstall newly, freshly into our machine. Okay. For that reason, you have to download first MySQL installer. Okay. So for that reason, I'm going to Chrome browser, and then in the Chrome browser, I'll be searching for MySQL download. I'll say. So after saying this MySQL download, you can see that I'm getting this MySQL downloads top link. I'll be clicking on this MySQL downloads, and then definitely I'm there in the download section only. So come down, scroll down, you'll be getting your MySQL community GPL downloads option. click on this MySQL community GPA downloads option, and then you'll be getting your MySQL installer for Windows. There is a link. Click on that link. Later you will be redirected to this downloads page. So here you have your 353.7 MB of this much of size one file is there. You just click on download. It may take some time. Actually you are coming to this page where you should tell your you need to click on this link. No thanks, just start my download. Is actually is asking for creating the account, login, sign up, something is there. Don't do anything, just click on this link. Your file will be downloaded now. So you can see that my download has been started. It will take around 550 MB, I guess. Some time it may take. It depends on your internet speed, connection speed, and everything. So it will complete here. It will download, and then till that time we have to wait only. So that is what the thing. Yeah, almost all our file has got downloaded, I guess. So I'll just show in folder. So yeah, it is completely downloaded. You can see that. So I'll say show in folder. So this installer is opened in a like folder. So I'll double click on this installer. So it will start installation, so that we can install the MySQL workbench also, as well as the MySQL database server also. So DBMS server. So our installation got started. Just I'll close this file explorer window. So as well as my Chrome window also I'll close. So now that installer is asking some permission. MySQL installer, say yes, give the permission. After then it will ask one more permission, I guess. Wait for some time, it may ask one more permission. So we have to give that permission also, then only our installation will begin. Start. So we're asking one more permission. MySQL installer launcher.exe, yes, say yes. So now definitely this installation will begin now. So it will take some time, and then make sure that you have connected to internet before double click on, means before running this installer. Okay, so next you see. So here only server is the only client is there. Client in the sense only the MySQL workbench, and server means only MySQL server. Actually, I don't want full. I don't want only client. I don't want only server. I want custom where I need server also as well as client also. So I'll say next. After then I'll be coming to this server, and then I'll open the server and the MySQL server. I got here MySQL server. I will move this particular MySQL server into product to be installed section. I moved this one. After then I will do take the MySQL workbench, because server is there. Along with the server we want workbench also. It's a client. Okay, so we are having a workbench as well as server. Both we have here, database server also there, as well as client also there. Okay, so after then say next. So these things are ready to install. Just say execute. It will take some time. It will install everything. You can see the progress here, percentage, how much percentage has been completed. It will show the update, and then you can continue the process. So let's wait for some time to complete this installation, server installation. Our server has got installed successfully. Now workbench installation has been started already. So it is saying that some percentage has been completed. Let's wait to complete this 100%. Okay, so it is almost 80%, 87% done. So it will take some time. This workbench needs to be installed, and then it should connect to the server. Everything needs to be done, so it will take some amount of time. Let's wait patiently, and then let's complete this one. After completion of this one, it's already there in the 99 percentage. So it will convert into, means it will update it as 100% after completion of installation. So you can see that. So it's almost completed. And then later now this MySQL workbench has been completely installed, I guess. It is taking some time to complete it. Okay, after then completion it will say 100%, and installation will complete. So status got completed. Both our server and workbench both has been installed successfully. I'll say next. After then it is saying that configuration, default configuration, will just say next. After the next, it is asking some port number and other things. So don't change anything. By default the port number is 3306 only. Just say next. After then here also default settings only, let it be, no problem. Just say next. And then it is asking the password to be set by yourself to the MySQL workbench. It is better to set as root only, because the user by default username is root, and the password also we are setting it as root only, because we are doing only practicing purpose only. So we are not doing any real-time data. We are not storing in. Whenever we are storing the real-time data, that time you can do change the password. No need to worry. Okay. So root is the password I given, that lowercase only. Okay. After then I'll say next. After then just say next. After then just say next. Default configuration, just say execute. All things will execute here. So you are initializing a database. It may take a long time. So it is initializing a database. Okay. After completion of initializing the database, then what happens means later your server, MySQL server, will get start. So this is taking some time, as it is mentioned in the bracket. May take some long time. See, now it is completed. Now the server, MySQL server is getting started, so it will also take some time to start the server. After then everything completed, you can check that everything is check mark is came, and then so we'll click on finish. After then just say next. So and then everything finished, just say finish. Your MySQL workbench is ready to do everything within your system. Okay, so it will launch, it will open the MySQL workbench. Wait patiently, it will open. By default it will open like this. Okay, MySQL workbench has been successfully installed. Just maximize this window, and then you can connect to this local instance. In my local machine only one server is installed, MySQL database server is installed. We can communicate to that database server by clicking here. Click on this particular thing. It will ask password. Just now I set a password called as root, and then I'll give in the root as password, and then I'll say okay. Now our MySQL workbench has been done successfully, came here. And then by default it will be there in the administration section. And then last time some people error may be having, some people may be having error, so those people may be getting no object, so yeah, no collection established something. And then sometimes some people may see this one, if they click on server status, if I do push this one here, so they may be getting their servers status stopped or something. Now as of now everything is perfect here. Your MySQL is perfectly working. You can do create the schemas, tables, everything. Okay,